So who sends a lightweight advent calendar, lightweight cardboard box in a paper sack? That would be H+M. Here it is, the paper sack that held the advent calendar. You gotta be kidding. I'm not kidding, it gets worse. I contacted them and said, hey, what's up? And they said, oh, well, you can return it. And I said, okay, I'll take it to the store. No, ma'am. Can't take it to the store. You have to mail it back. And you're responsible for paying the postage. And I'm like, what the? So I took a look at the items that were in said advent calendar, and although the box here has seen better days, kind of smushed and squished, I took a look at what was in it, and everything was still safety sealed. Nothing looked used. So I went ahead and just kept it and thought, we'll put it up at Advent season and see what the people have to say. What do you guys have to say? This may have been last year's calendar and I just got what was left. Or maybe they just don't know how to put things posted correctly. This was a $40 purchase. It's a 12-day advent calendar. Shipping and tax brought us in just under $50. So for 12 days at $40, that makes each item $3.33. So let us know what you think as we go through this puppy. Would you pay $3.33 for each of these items? Because we did. We start out with H+M's version of nail stickers, something you find in many inexpensive advent calendars, and in some expensive ones too. Next up, oh, I want this one, I want this one. Impatient much? Well, yeah. I gotta say, this is cute. A headband for keeping your hair out of your face while you do your makeup or wash your face, and it has a bow on top. Would I give you $3.33 for this? Yeah, I might. Would I give you $3.33 for those nail stickers? No. This is a hair scrubber. Nice and solid, I'll give it that. And it does have drainage holes, so if water gets in there, the water can drain out rather than stuck inside and getting moldy. It has a good grip, and it has a ribbon so you can hang it up in the shower to help it dry. Personally, I would probably put it nose down to help the water drain out, but then again, that might not get all the water out. So at least it has options for draining out the water. Would I give you $3.33 for this? Maybe. Could always use it to brush your camel. Oh, that feels like a nice massage. Can you move over just a little bit and massage some more? To coordinate with the pink and white theme of the hairband, you get those little hair clips that hold your hair out of the way for facial masks or whatever you need your hair held out of the way for. Next up is a velvet sponge. You notice it does not say H+M anywhere on it. So very true. A cute little powder applicator. $3.33? Probably not. Probably cost them all 50 cents to make it. And it's a heart. So is that Christmas or Valentine's Day? Good point. It wouldn't be an advent calendar if you didn't get one of these. Hello, makeup sponge. I have to admit, it does have that nice flat side that I like for applying foundation. So I can't yell too loudly, yet is this really $3.33? I got one from Ipsy for $3.40 that was bigger than this. This is a cherry lip mask. And like I said, the safety seal is intact, so I know that no one had their fingers in here or was messing around with this. I think it was a secure product until they decided to send it to me in a paper envelope instead of in a box. We get 2 lip oils. One is cherry and one is peach. These are cute. I am getting quite the collection of lip oils this holiday season, so I might be passing some of these along. But again, they do not look like they have been tampered with or used. And I will say, it does say, hopefully the camera picks it up, it does say H+M on there. So they did pay somebody to stamp it with their store brand. We have 2 fun lip gloss products. One is almond and one is vowel gum. I'll have to pass along the almond one. I'm allergic to nuts, yet these are fun things for the holidays. So I can't yell too loudly. Now, are they each worth $3.33? I guess it depends on whether or not you like the scent. I will say the bubblegum one is cute with all those sparkles. Oh yes, I like me some bling and glitter. And for the 12th and final day, when you want something big and festive on your 12th and final day, they give us something big and festive. Well, a keychain? Kinda, sorta. A holiday ornament? It could be. What is it? It doesn't smell like anything but plastic. Hang on. Here, can you see yourself? Well, I can see half an eyeball. Yeah, it's a mirror. And one of those mirrors where, yeah, you see half an eyeball. At least this one, I guess they thought that having it with a cover would help protect the mirror. Anne has decided her top 2 items are the Scalp Scrubber and the Bubblegum Lip Gloss. Are they worth $3.33 each? Maybe yes, probably not. I know what my favorite is. Yes, exactly. Don't I just look wonderful? You look amazing. Thank you. What do y'all think? How do I look? What do you think of this box and the whole shipping fiasco? Let us know down below, because I'm an inquiring camel and I want to know all the details. Aren't we supposed to share the screen a little bit? Well, I'm enjoying modeling my new attire. Thanks for watching today. Come back and see us soon. We have lots of fun things going on this holiday season. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell. And check out another video.